They say most songs tell a story. Now this one does. Anyone want to guess what story this tells? Here we go. I'm not gonna give you a chance to guess. Put your watch to the 1 to the 2. Elvis's first job before he owned Graceland, before he owned the big mansion and all that. Was a truck driver. Yes, he was the truck driver. I went by gasoline. No, he did not date Priscilla back then. He was a truck driver. Elvis's first job was a truck driver. Elvis Presley's first job was a truck driver. Was a truck driver. And this ain't no country song. Elvis's first job was a truck driver. And then a few years later, he bought Graceland. And then at the age of 42, yes, he did die on the phone. Yes, it was drugs, but it was never weed or marijuana. I could never tell a lie. And Elvis is still the king of what he knows his day. He's still better than the Beatles, whether you like to disagree or not. The king is still better than the Beatles. And Elvis's first job was a truck driver. Gasoline. And then he bought a nice Cadillac. He even was seen driving a big Cadillac. Elvis Presley's first job was a truck driver. Elvis Presley's first job was a truck driver. Put him on watch. Elvis Presley's first job was a truck driver. And no, it was not done by electricity. It was done by effing gasoline. Elvis's first job was a truck driver. For 2 and 1.